All right, so survivorship curves is a topic that I've seen on so many tests throughout my college experience. Really, basically, simple idea of tracking the vast majority of the lifespans of different species. These fit into basically three different categories. And again, this isn't like a perfect science. It's not like every single thing is exactly type 1, type 2, or type 3, but just roughly three basic categories of strategies, you could say, that organisms utilize to continue their, species. So type 1, almost always the examples I see for these on tests, for example, are humans and elephants. I don't know why, but that's just like on all the tests is human and elephants, or just other large mammals. But basically, most are going to live to old age. You can think of it like quality offspring, where they're putting most of the resources into integrating like one large and very fit offspring. Type 2, the examples I most often see, birds, reptiles, and rodents. Those are pretty much always, especially reptiles. I feel like I always see reptiles, or birds actually. Death rate is basically constant throughout life. Basically, the same percentage chance dying when you're old as when you're young. And then type 3, things like fish, insects, and birds. If you think about, or not birds, plants rather. If you think about things like insect larvae, where almost all of them are going to die, or like plant seedlings, where almost all of them are going to die. And you can think of this like quantity offspring. So they're just producing a ton of offspring, and some, like a very few number, actually do survive, but those are obviously able to reproduce. And then just the mnemonic that works for me, I don't know why, but just I live long. Just remember type 1 is I. And then the other two are just easy from there, because type 2 is just the middle one and type 3 is just the other one. So hopefully that helps you with survivorship curves on your next test. But yeah, have a good day.